Hi guys.
Hey guys.
We're getting ready to go to the harbor. It's such a nice day today. We thought it was going to rain, but it didn't rain, so
Yeah.
Trying to get him out of the house, huh?
I do love you in the house.
Let's go see what Keldon Ellis is doing. Wow.
Wii U. Greatest system.
And what game are you playing?
Xenoblade Chronicles X.
Wow, you're so good, aren't you?
What?
What? And this is our cat.
Leslie doesn't let us have a real cat.
I know, because I love stuffed cats too much. And what's our cat's name?
Maybe Gregory.
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 And this is our little baby.
Little baby. Okay, that's so weird. A little crazy.
All day, every
I
day.
haven't even played it since we've been back from Christmas.
Alright, well we're gonna go get ready and
Go walk down by the harbor.
walk down by the harbor. We're ready now.
Ready to go walk around the harbor in the rain.
But somebody took forever getting ready.
Tommy, I was playing Wii U.
It's so cute. And it's raining! Raining! Raining!
Rain, rain, go away. We need an umbrella.
We're Washington people. We don't need them rock. Just kidding. I don't have one. You?
I don't think so.
It's raining. It's pouring. It's all it's crying.
We are about to get some groceries on this rainy day, which is so sad. But we need some milk, and we have coupons for Carl's Jr. So we are gonna stuff our faces with hamburgers, and we can't wait. It's gonna be good. Leslie never gets anything that's in the front row, no matter what it is. She always makes sure that it's in the, at least in the second row, or maybe even like the third row back. Get it grabbed really far back. I'm just gonna go second row today.
Keldon's picking the chip that he wants to eat, and I'm picking the chip that I want to eat, but I can't find mine. We went to the grocery store. We got milk, chips, cottage cheese. Yeah, that's it. Milk, chips, cottage cheese. And then we went to grab some Carl's Jr. Lunchy. 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 Did you just love our Christmas tree? I love the colors. But yeah, this is how outside looks like. Look at that, it's just so gloomy. Look at that, it's so gloomy. I wanted to bake. I think I might bake in a bit. I think I might make pumpkin spice cream cheese muffins or cream cheese scones, or not scones, but cream cheese with stuffed inside croissants. Maybe cookies. And I think I'm gonna explode chocolate chip. Yummy, 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 yummy. I got the white kind, white chocolate, or white chocolate miniature Reese's peanut butter cups. Cream cheese. So bad. So bad. But so good. I'll show you guys. That's what it looks like. Don't mind my yummy fingers.
Cost to switch.
Welcome to the Volkswagen Passat post-game report. Here now, Bob Costas.
It's so
So
sad.
sad because the Packers lost.
Unluckily for you, you just tuned in. 26-20 in overtime.
It's our Christmas tree. It's still up.
Still up when you took that thing down.
Nope. 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 Oh, there goes George. We are going to Olympic National Park. And it's in Olympia, right, bud?
Yep. No, Olympia is
Oh,
a different town.
what city is it in?
It's not really a city. It's just
Okay. It's just a park in Washington.
Continue on US 101
And we
North.
packed some stuff to go on our trip. Toilet paper, water bottle, and chips. Chippity chip chips. Hawaiian, sweet Maui. Pretty good. And oranges. And last night we watched Steve Making a Murder. And pretty good. I stayed until 1 a.m. watching it. And somebody went to sleep.
I missed it, but Leslie was up till like 1 a.m. watching it. So today she's had to tell me all about it.
Mm-hmm.
Scary stuff.
Scary stuff. And did I bring a lipstick one? Oh, I did. And I'm wearing Teddy Velvet. Teddy Velvet. Teddy Velvet. Man, we need to exercise.
Nice.
We're at Olympic National Park and it's freezing. It's so pretty. Look at that. I don't know where Keldon went. Look at the water, it's so clear and green. Keldon! Where are you? How did you get all the way over there? Keldon, no! No, bud! Where are you going? Careful! We are going up the staircase trail. If we don't come back, then just you guys find this video. We just want to tell our family that we love them.
Tell my
much.
mom I love her.
And tell my family that I miss them and I love them and that I died a happy life.
You gotta work it.
Where are you going, Mr. Ellis?
On the bridge.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
We're okay. I didn't.
You didn't know there was snow?
I mean, it just slid.
You scared me. No! That is so scary. It's moving. Wow. Run, run, run. And we meet! We meet! Go, go, he's coming.
They're coming.
Go.
They're
We
coming.
have to go.
The orcs are coming.
The orcs are coming right now. Where's my horse?